Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you all box accessories of the Realme 14 Pro Plus. So let me just put this phone aside and we will focus on the box itself. So let's open this one up, and right here, here's the lid. Here we can find a little box as we lift it up. Here's the little box, and here we can find, and let me just quickly show you as we open this one up. Here we can find the protective case, silicone protective case, and we can also find here some guides. Let me just show you. We can find here some guides, two type of different guides, and you can also find the SIM tool, as you can see. And here is the protective case. It is black, as you can see, and here is the place where the phone is. And we can also lift this one up. Right here we can actually lift it with this paper like this, and here we can find the charging cable. As you can see, there's actually no charging adapter, and that would be basically all about the accessories. As you can see, this cable is the Type A to Type C charging cable. And yeah, basically that's all about this box accessories of the Realme 14 Pro Plus. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.